Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by parking and securing the car, then remove the metal key blade from the Tiguan fob. Once done, use a flat pry tool at the seam to separate the halves. Be gentle to avoid clips. Next, locate the circular battery chamber and note orientation of the old battery so you replace it the same way. You should already have a CR 2032 and Torx bits ready. If the fob has screws, remove them with a T20 or T25 before prying. Now remove the old CR 2032 and inspect the contact springs and rubber seal. This matters because poor contact causes intermittent function. Clean both contacts with isopropyl on a cotton swab to remove corrosion, and make sure the rubber gasket sits correctly so the fob stays water-resistant. Insert the new battery with the same polarity you observed, typically plus side facing out, and press it flat into the holder until it clicks. Verify the battery sits level and contacts flex over it. Reassemble the fob by aligning both halves and snapping them together. If screws were removed, reinstall them now. Reinsert the metal key blade and then test the fob functions at various distances. Start with 1 meter and move out to 3 meters to confirm buttons and proximity work. If the fob fails, make sure the battery polarity is correct and contacts are clean and tensioned. Try a known new CR 2032 in case the replacement is dead. If problems persist, visit a dealer.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.